sponsored by McClintock Preferred Finishes, wholesale and supply store, with 2 locations, one in Paducah, Kentucky, and the other in Evansville, Indiana. Good morning. It is September 25th, 2016. I'm meteorologist Beau. Let's take a look today at the radar. Big news this week. Strong cold front moves through the area tonight and on Monday. Much cooler temperatures Monday night, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This should last all week long. Much lower dew points, lower temperatures. It will feel like fall this week. We take a look at the radar this morning and we see a band of showers and storms all the way from Minnesota and Wisconsin back into Missouri and Kansas, Oklahoma and Texas. This is your cold front slowly moving eastward. It's not in a big hurry. By tonight, it will probably be extending from southeast Wisconsin back towards northwest of St. Louis and then back into southwest Missouri. By Monday afternoon, the front will likely be exiting our area. We will have a chance for showers and thunderstorms along the cold front. Does not look like heavy rain, not expecting any severe weather, and some of you may not receive any measurable rain from this system. Keep that in mind. It may not be a solid band of showers and storms. There's some debate about that in the guidance. Either way, I don't look for much in the way of rainfall. Maybe some of you will pick up a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Of course, a slow-moving thunderstorm can always produce locally heavy rain. We know that. But as a general rule, a quarter of an inch to a half an inch. And again, some of you may not receive hardly any rainfall at all. We switch over to satellite view this morning. We do see some patchy clouds in our area. Not a lot of cloud cover yet. Here's the main band of clouds on the visible satellite imagery. You can see the low up here. You can sort of imagine that low pressure rotating counterclockwise. You see this comma-shaped cloud. Here's your cold front back in here. These clouds will slowly move eastward today. I do anticipate an increase in clouds as we move through the day. Maybe even a couple of showers and storms later this afternoon over our western counties in southeast Missouri, maybe southwest Illinois. Most of us should remain dry today, but I can't rule out a 20-30% chance of a few showers over our western counties. Let's go ahead and turn on temperatures and look at these temperatures for this time of the year. These are well above normal. Normally this time of year we'd be looking at around 75 degrees about this time of the day. Highs normally average around 78 to 82 degrees. Let me zoom in here a little bit, but you can see already today 88 degrees in Paducah, 86 in Murray, 88 down in northwest Tennessee, Union City area. We move back here to the Boot Hill, upper 80s, Cape Girardeau 84, Salem, Illinois 86, Evansville in the middle to upper 80s as well. Very warm air for this time of the year. But if we look off to the northwest, let's just move over here. Look here in Iowa, northwest Missouri, and Kansas. Temperatures have already fallen into the 60s as that cold front moves south and east. This is the air mass that's going to be moving towards our area over the next few days, and it will be like night and day. The temperatures will be much cooler by Monday afternoon, and especially Monday night, Tuesday, Wednesday morning. Lows in the upper 40s, lower 50s, and highs on Tuesday and Wednesday probably won't even get out of the 70s. Wouldn't surprise me if a few of our counties just remain in the upper 60s, but let's go with 70s. Either way, it's going to feel great outside compared to what we've been having over the last few months. Let's take a quick look at the GFS forecast for temperatures through October 10th. What stands out today, upper 80s and lower 90s, but look at what happens the first full week of fall. Temperatures in the 70s for highs, overnight lows, upper 40s to middle 50s. We do slowly rise, see a temperature rise each day as we move into the weekend and early next week, but still, we're not seeing any of those upper 80s or lower 90s that we have grown accustomed to over the last few weeks. We're looking at mostly 70s for the entire week into the weekend, overnight lows down into the upper 40s to middle 50s. And again, we will slowly inch up a little bit on the thermometer with each passing day. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook for today. And we zoom in a little bit and we see we are shaded in green. This is for tonight. Not anticipating severe weather, they've placed this in an outlook for general thunderstorms, but not severe. You might be able to tell, I need to change my color table, but this is a little darker over northern Illinois. There is a marginal risk for severe weather over northern Illinois, northwest Indiana, but our area is simply in the general thunderstorm area, meaning we might have some lightning later tonight, not anticipating any severe weather. And we take a look at the day 2 severe weather outlook, and you can see the area for thunderstorms shifts off to our east. Probably this needs to be a little westward during the morning hours. Again, they're not forecasting any severe weather in our local area. So let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast numbers for today. An increase in clouds during the afternoon, maybe a 20-30% chance for a shower or storm over southeast Missouri and southwest Illinois. Light winds east-southeast 0 to 5 miles per hour. Again, high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s. We pull ahead to tonight, increasing clouds as the night wears on, becoming cloudy. A 50-60% chance for showers and storms, especially after midnight. Winds will turn out of the north-northwest at 3 to 6 miles per hour. The bus stop in the morning, expect cloudy skies, some showers and thunderstorms likely. Temperatures in the middle 60s, west-northwest winds. And as we look at the week ahead, again, Monday, good chance for showers and storms ahead of the cold front. Rain ending on Monday afternoon and evening. Temperatures could fall during the afternoon into the 70s. And then Monday night, clearing. Temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s for overnight lows. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, mostly sunny skies, maybe some fair weather, cumulus clouds. Temperatures mostly in the 70s for daytime highs, and overnight lows will be in the upper 40s to middle 50s through that time period. Light winds as well, maybe a little bit gustier wind on Monday and Tuesday near that front, and as the front moves through and our winds turn out of the northwest. Not anticipating any rain from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and probably into the weekend as well.